Hey, it's Finn, and today we're going to be making some Brussels sprouts. Remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Always remember to ask your parents for permission and always wash your hands. First, put the EVOO at the bottom of the pan. Not too much, just a little bit. We already cut the Brussels sprouts in half, so it's easier to cook. Then put a little bit of seasoning. It is pink salt and black pepper. And add a little bit of water too. I'm adding water to steam the Brussels sprouts to make them tender. And turn it to 6. You'll want to add some minced garlic to give it a little bit of flavor. And once the Brussels sprouts start to get golden, you want to put a little bit of lemon juice. You know when it's done when everything is golden brown. And put a little bit of balsamic glaze. There you have it. You made Brussels sprouts.